Hey guys, here's App Geeker channel. Today we will show you what to do if you got an iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen on your iPhone. In your daily life, you may forget the passcode to your iPhone and enter the wrong passcode for too many times. Eventually, this annoying message of iPhone unavailable or security lockout will appear and lock you out from the device permanently. Don't panic if you get into trouble like this. You can reset your iPhone to regain access to it. It's the only solution to remove the iPhone unavailable screen. Here are 3 incredibly simple ways to reset your iPhone. Keep watching. What comes first is Erase iPhone feature. With the launch of iOS 15.2, it's a relatively new function for Apple's users to erase an iPhone without connecting it to a computer. So, it's really convenient for those who doesn't have a computer in hand. However, there are a few conditions for this method you need to know. First, your iPhone has to be updated to iOS 15.2 or later. Second, it should have network connection before the erasure. Lastly, your Apple ID and password is needed for signing out in the process. Well, let's look at the steps. Keep inputting the incorrect passcode to your iPhone for 5 times. You will see iPhone unavailable. Try again in 1 minute. Wait for a minute and enter a wrong one again. iPhone unavailable. Try again in 5 minutes will show up next. After waiting for an interval as required, put in a false passcode again. You will then get a message of iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Wait again and enter a random passcode. Finally, when you see the screen iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 hour with the Erase iPhone option in the bottom right. Tap on it. Next, when asked to confirm about the reset, tap Erase iPhone as a yes answer. Then you need to sign out of your Apple ID by entering the password. Tap the same option to start the reset. Your iPhone will then automatically erase itself. Soon afterwards, the iPhone unavailable screen will get removed, and you are free to set up your iPhone from scratch or restore the data from your earlier backup. P.S. If you don't see the Erase iPhone option even after multiple attempts, maybe your iPhone is not running iOS 15.2 or later, or there are some technical glitches on your iPhone. If so, you can try other 2 methods in the following parts. Next, we will talk about how to use iPhone Unlocker to get rid of an iPhone unavailable screen. It's one of the most efficient removing passcode applications. It can reset lock screen passcode or screen time passcode, as well as bypass Apple ID and password. Check this website to know more. It's also in the description below. In order to use iPhone Unlocker to reset your iPhone, you need to first download it on your Mac or PC. Open it and click Wipe Passcode. Hit Start to go on. Follow the instructions in this link to get your iPhone enter recovery mode and be detected by the application. Then confirm your iPhone information as required. Click Start and it will download the appropriate iOS software for your iPhone. When it's done, you will need to enter 0000 for further confirmation. Hit Unlock so your iPhone can begin to reset. After a while, your iPhone will finish the reset and get rebooted. You can then start your iPhone anew. The last method we'll talk about is using Find My in iCloud. You can use it to clear the iPhone unavailable message from your iPhone simply by using another device with a few clicks. First, grab another phone, tablet, or computer that can navigate to iCloud.com in a browser. Here, we'll use an iPad. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. It should be the same with the one on your unavailable iPhone. Click the icon of Find iPhone on the right corner. With a map showing the locations of all your iOS devices, click All Devices at the top. Pick up the unavailable iPhone. Among the 3 options below, select Erase iPhone. At last, hit Erase to get the iPhone unavailable screen removed. Soon you will have an iPhone like it's just out of the box. You can then create a new code to it. Make sure the new code is memorable to you. Well, that's all today. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more latest videos. Thanks.